India's growing assertiveness in its northern Union territory of Ladakh to counter Chinese belligerence along the line of actual control. India has intensified its infrastructure development at high altitudes. Beijing has cried foul, but New Delhi says it has sovereign authority and rights to protect its land and people and will continue construction on its side. Various media reports in the past have confirmed that China has already built a network of roads and bridges on its side. So why is China protesting? Is it coming out of its compulsive habit of interfering in others' domestic affairs, or has it grown jittery with India's befitting responses to its each single tactic?
These employees of Border Road Organization, the Infrastructure Development Wing of Indian Defence, are working overtime to accomplish their goals. Their aim is to develop a road through mountains that provides smooth connectivity and an all-year access to Indian troops moving forward areas along LAC, the border between India and China, where the situation has lately become volatile due to repeated incursion attempts by PLA. The sustained provocation from Chinese side had grown into a primitive-style bloody fist fight this summer, in which India had lost 20 of its soldiers, while China had not disclosed its casualties. Reports say they were near 40. Since then, New Delhi has redoubled its efforts in securing its entire boundary with China and has been building roads and bridges. Engineers at the ground say that China's unethical war tactics have compelled his team to work with more enthusiasm.
Here, with the terrain conditions and difficulties we are facing here, with the minus 40 degrees Celsius, despite of that, the morale of the troop is very high, and we are doing the work for the nation, and we are doing the work on the war footing so that road can be linked to the Ladakh as a third axis. So we are now fall short of the 30 kilometers of link is missing, and we are working on war footing to link that missing link.
The Government of India has identified 73 strategically important roads along the Chinese border, of which 61 are with the BRO, running over 3,300 kilometers. 75% of the work under BRO had been completed by March this year, a news that has really made the power corridors in Beijing nervous. Beijing tried using similar tactics, but it has time and again employed to bully its smaller and weaker neighbors in south. It termed Indian construction illegal and destabilizing. New Delhi, however, remains unfazed and says it will build infrastructure at even greater speed to respond to Chinese plots. Indian Defence Minister had recently said that India will continue to patrol areas.
मैं ये स्पष्ट कर देना चाहता हूं, लड़ाई भी तो इसीलिए हो रही है, फेस ऑफ तो इसीलिए होता है, और जहां तक पेट्रोलिंग पैटर्न का सवाल है सभापति महोदय, यह पेट्रोलिंग पैटर्न ट्रेडिशनल है, पारंपरिक है, और साथ ही साथ ये वेल डिफाइंड है. भारत के सेना के जवानों को पेट्रोलिंग करने से दुनिया की कोई ताकत नहीं रोक सकती. यदि हमारे जवानों ने अपना बलिदान दिया है तो इसीलिए बलिदान दिया है. देश हित में हमें कितना ही बड़ा और कितना ही कड़ा कदम उठाना पड़े सभापति महोदय, हम पीछे नहीं हटेंगे.
So, what has spooked China? Observers say it is India's combat readiness, which will be bolstered several times with connectivity to forward areas, that has baffled Chinese leadership and its PLA. While China can boast of having one of the mightiest arsenals in the world, its soldiers are not just skilled enough for high-altitude warfare with sub-zero temperatures. While Indian troops on the other side can do it all. Beijing has also been taken by surprise by India's assertive and more skilled response to its bullism. It had drawn its conclusions on the basis of its little success in 1962. But today, India, which is also a nuclear power, has one of the strongest armies under the sun. It has highly sophisticated arsenal with its troops capable of giving a bloody nose to its enemies. In this case, the Chinese. From land to air to sea, India is prepared for all levels of conflict that China must just think of triggering, or to say in the current context, will think twice before doing anything of that sort.